your fine-tuning is probably going to fail. And that won't be because of your dataset or your training code. Most people choose the wrong base model before they even begin. They grab the model that is sitting at the top of the leaderboard, and later it either doesn't fit the GPU or the license blocks their commercial use. I do this for my clients, and here are the 4 checks that stops this from happening. The first thing is your GPU, because in fine-tuning, the hardware decides the model, not you. As a rough rule, with QLoRA and a tool like Unsloth, an 8 gig card can handle a 7 to 8 billion parameter model easily, and a 16 gig card can handle up to 14 billion parameter model. One habit that saves me a lot of pain is running the first experiment with a big model. I test the pipeline with a tiny 1 billion parameter model first because it runs in minutes and the bug shows up early. And once everything runs clean, I scale it up. The second thing is the license, which sounds boring until you're building a client project or a SaaS on top of it. Models like Qwen comes under Apache 2.0 license, which means commercial use is no drama. But Llama comes with its own community license, which has a few restrictions of its own which you have to read. And honestly, a model that's 2% better on benchmark with a shady license is a worse model for your product. Third is whether you pick the base checkpoint or the Instruct version. If you have thousands of clean examples and you are trying to teach the model a custom new format, then you should go with the base version. But if your dataset is small and you still want the model to hold the normal conversational format, then the Instruct model is your way to go. In most of the real-world examples, Instruct version is the real answer. And the fourth one is the most important. You should not trust the leaderboards. Build a small eval of your own. Take 50 to 100 examples from your own actual task and run it with 2 or 3 models before fine-tuning any. You'll notice that the model that's actually closest to your task is the model which will be closest after the fine-tune too. And that one step can save you weeks of compute. Right now, my short list is the Qwen 3 family because it comes in all the sizes and it's strong on multilingual. Plus Small LLM when I want to run some quick experiments. Let me know in the comments what you are fine-tuning, and in the next video, I'll be talking about data preparation. See you in the next one.